check this out. Slam tight 15mm standoffs, 1.6 watt VTX, 1504 motors, only weighs about 120 grams. Okay, it's windy as crap, but we're doing our final test flights for Eddie's bind and fly discus. Thank you, Eddie. You get the parts for, and you can choose the color and build it yourself, or I can build it for you. I charge $100 for the build. Took a while to figure out what was wrong with it. I built it the same way I always build it, but it was desyncing, and it ended up being one of the motors was having a problem. So I swapped out the motor, and now this will be our final test. We're gonna fly with a 560 and with a 850. Tell me if you can tell the difference. Which flight do you think is which battery? In the comments below. Subscribe and smash the like button. Also, flick the bell notification if you want to be able to see me when I go online. Otherwise, I'll go online and you won't know it, and you'll be like, man, I missed your live. It'll be because you didn't flick the bell. Our final testy test, and then we can ship this to Eddie. We have these new stubby antennas and new battery straps, the perfect battery straps. I'll get them on the website soon. I gotta do a website update. VTX administrator, power level. Ooh, okay, it did work. Okay, perfect. Yo, the VTX administrator works. So you can go into Express LRS menus and you can change your power level there if your OSD doesn't let you do it. Let's go. Ready, steady, arm, and let's do it. Oh yeah, that feels good. That does feel very good. Seeing no desyncs now. Follow the bicycle. Oh, it sounds so good. Very nice. So we got, I think we got like 4, almost 5 minutes. I want to be able to do like gentle rolls. Oh, without getting stuck in the tree. What's going on at the soccer game? Oh yeah. Basketball. Basketball. Yeah, it's locked in, baby. That feels good. Dun, 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 dun. Exploration. Woo! guess which pack was first? You know the funny thing? The flight time was basically the same, but the characteristics on the one is much better than the other, at least I think. So it just shows you it's not always the maw that is better, because lots of people think you stick the biggest maw on your drone so you can fly the longest, but what's the point if you don't get that, you know, you want to get that Fatals. You want one of these? You know you want one of these, just order one. I'll always have everything needed for it in stock, but man, it flies good. Yeah. It's a nice drone with a nice tune and a nice sound.